Send money to Philippines for free. Fast, safe and secure. Anytime and anywhere. Let's start. Download the Pyypl app in Google Play Store or iOS Store. Add balance to your Pyypl Wallet using your debit card by clicking the load button. Or you can go to the nearest UPay or MBME loading machine like this. Click the search icon and type Pyypl. Add your phone number. Insert cash and get the receipt. Check your wallet balance and press send button. Change the flag icon to Philippines and enter Philippines phone number. Edit the amount and press send button to next step. Pop-out window will appear to double-check the details and press send to next step. Choose cash payout for cash pickup. Bank payout for instant bank transfer. Enter the receiver's name and choose where to collect. This is the last step, then press send now to complete the remittance. For follow-ups, support, mistakes and questions, click the top corner chat support icon for fast reply. Thank you for watching.